Hello, I am Sushil Datta and I am working as Assistant Manager in Corporate Communications Union Bank of India. To talk about the campaign that we recently did, it was a fairly successful campaign, as we all know, but there were a lot of curious questions that we face all the time we go here and there, that why do you have to take a Ajit Tendulkar or a Manoj Singh or things like that. There is a simple reason why we took them, because we wanted to let people associate with our bank the same way they associate with their kins and their parents. Like we all know, Ajit Tendulkar has played a very important role in Sachin's life. He used to train him, he used to bunk his school fees and pay coaching fees for him and all. So things like that. And basically this campaign was more prominent for the young people who are the dreamers, as our GM just said. These people are curious to build their new homes, to study further. So they are the dreamers of the present era. Like for the same reason as the campaign associates that it is best fit to take somebody who has helped the main lead to grow in life. So that was the basic reason. And besides it being successful, we have also seen that hoarding and the print ads has got a lot of attention, because people want to know more about their favorite people's families also. So that has also added an advantage to the campaign. And because Union Bank, as we all know, is the pioneer in everything that they do, so advertisement campaigns were also thought in the same framework. We had also done Facebook campaigns. We did a lot of digital campaigns where people were talking about their dreams on the computers, because it is a growing medium now, we cannot avoid it. So they spoke about their dreams and how people who love them have contributed for them to grow in life, and all this was captured on digital medium, which is the need of the hour. So that has also helped us a lot in making the brand image in the present scenario. We have consistently done well in the advertisement market. We will take measures to deliver the same in the future as well, talking more about the brand presence and how young people will associate it with the Union Bank of India more, because being a big bank, we want each and every age group to go together and remember our brand name also. So the future prospects will also be the same like the present campaign.